guys. So what are we going to be doing here today? I'm just going to quickly walk you guys through AutoCAD import, how it's used, why it's used, benefits of using AutoCAD import. We have it in under tools in DB import. If you get into AutoCAD file, you can go ahead import the file. I have an existing one that I've selected right here. This is the file that I created, I imported and saved it right here. So I've created all my sections. So if you look at this data right here, there it is. And these are all my sections, right? Why do we need an AutoCAD import? It's just because of the file type. Usually people have a DWG file or a DXF file, and they don't know how their profile is. So giving them the ability to import this profile, viewing the profile and creating the profile and saving the profile saves time, and it's just easier for them to use instead of having another screen where they can convert this file into a PDF and opening it. It's just it's full of hassles where opening a DWF file or a DXF file, DWG file or a DXF file itself is complicated. If a lot of users or a lot of engineers may not know, but it's only more or less related to people involved in design or creating the AutoCAD files, right? But how do you use it? That's a different ballgame, and people may not know how to do it. So this is just pure convenience, saving time and effort. If not for this, people may not even be able to create a profile. So that's the main reason why we created it. And to make things easier for different calculations, if I've just saved it as demo file, now I can get into any of my calculation. For instance, I can either get into my cables and conduits right here. I can get into cables and conduits. I can also get into pull force and installation stresses and steel pipe. I can get into just the vertical. I did the vertical and horizontal and different calculations. I don't have to recreate my profile for every calculation. Now that I have my profile saved, using this dropdown, I can just go and access the file that I want to and hit calculate. And this brings in my profile based on what is created in here. Likewise, similarly, if I just get into this application right here in this calculation, I can do the same thing here. I can do demo file, calculate, and there you go. It brings in my same profile in here. You see it's different in terms of the height is because of my pipe entry and pipe exit. If I want to match it to my calculation in here, all I got to do is 0 and 13, 13.1. So I'll just go ahead and do that. It'll be 0, 0, and 13. Calculate. Here, here you go. So as this step actually defines, it's just a lot easier, saves a lot of time. If not, people are using two screens. One is just trying to convert it to a PDF, opening the PDF, and then trying to understand what the data is or read the data. Whereas the AutoCAD file import automatically brings in all your data. It's every saved data into your file is read, and it's on the user to just go access drop downs and save the file and create the profile. And the beauty of it is you don't have to keep creating this borehole profile, and you just need to create it once, and it can be accessed across your different calculations in HDD PowerTool. Thank you.